Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we have to solve this question which states that a man deposited rupees 10,000 in a bank at a rate of 5% simple interest annually, right? So simple interest means it is calculated on this base amount only. So it increases annually, so per year. We need to find the amount in the 15th year since he deposited the amount. So starting from this 10,000 when he deposited the amount, we have to calculate it for the 15th year, and we have to also calculate the amount after 20 years. So these two things are required in this question. So initially that person deposited rupees 10,000. This we know. Each year what would be the interest obtained as 5% of 10,000? It would be, because we are given the rate of interest of the bank is 5% simple interest annually, 5% per year, correct? So 5% of what? 5% of this 10,000. So when you calculate it, it comes out to be rupees 500. So therefore each year the amount in the initial year when he deposited the amount was 10,000. Thereafter it would become 10,000 plus 500, right? The interest for the first year has been added. Then this much amount was there, and then now the interest for the second year has been added to it, and so on, correct? So therefore, in this case, your amount becomes 10,000, 10,500, 11,000, 11,500, and so on. So this forms an AP with the first term as 10,000, right? The common difference as 500, because each year you see 500 is being increased. So the difference of this term, second term with the first term is 500, third term with second term is also 500. So your common difference is 500. Now to calculate the amount in 15th year, we have to calculate the 15th term, which is A15. So you know the formula for the general term an, which is a plus n minus 1d. So you can substitute n is equals to 15 here, the value of a as 10,000, the value of d as 500, and solve it here. When once you solve it, the amount comes out to be 17,000 in the 15th year. What about amount after 20 years? So for 20 years, after 20 years, so that means we are now in the 21st year. So in the 21st year, amount would be A21, right? So for A21, it would be A plus 21 minus 1 times of D. So you can substitute the value of A here, you can substitute the value of D here, correct? And simplify it, the amount comes out to be 20,000. So after 20 years, the amount in the 21st year would become 20,000. So you see, your initially deposited amount after 20 years would be doubled in the bank when the rate of interest is 5%. So this is the benefit of submitting or depositing the money into the bank. However, you see, in this question, we are not actually taking the expenses of keeping the money in the bank. That means the expenses of bank accounts and all. Those things are not being taken here, and the monetization rate. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.